Hello and welcome to Bad Kissingen. Abenteuer and Allrad, the largest off-road RV show in the world. This is an Action Mobil Pure 4500 HB. It's on an MAN, there you go, TGM 18.340. And let's have a look inside and take this thing out the way. Probably wouldn't have one of them up there like that if you actually owned it. Well, then again, you might do. Now, I need to point out that there are people living in the vans at this show. Unlike at Dusseldorf or Stuttgart, where there are show vans, these vans, the ones that are being shown, are also being used at the same time. And, oh, that's been locked. So we're not going to have a look through the crawl space. That door would take us into where the driving is done from. There we have toilet there. Why is there no door for the toilet? Because it's here at present. So the door will go like that and close that like that, should it be so required. Now, here, another thing, a feature about this is that the shower is here where I'm standing at the moment. This thing here will come up to make the shower. Let's get the thing up if I can. Don't know how to get the thing up. Take that bit out. So the shower is here in the place where I'm standing now. Good place to put it, unless of course you're sort of crawling in from there at the same time. Or you're probably either driving or showering. Probably. So in here we've got a large store place for all your clothes, and you can see the people have come here. I've got a good selection of clothes to being used. And down here we can find something which has been locked, and so I won't force it. Take that bit out again. Storage. There is the bed, which will drop down over the table. I dare say you could put 4 people in here as well. You get this one to drop down, and that one is also, the table will drop down to make a bed as well, although there wouldn't be a huge amount of space between the two. Kitchen here. Induction. In the description you will find how much electricity and battery supply there is. Let's have a look around the outside.